Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV17 is making a strange noise, it's likely that the motor is failing. This can occur due to wear and tear or debris getting lodged inside. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage, potentially costing more to repair. To start with this repair, you'll need a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some replacement screws, and a soft cloth to protect your surfaces. Begin by ensuring your Dyson SV17 is unplugged. Carefully remove the dust container, then find the screws located at the back of the vacuum. Use the T10 Torx screwdriver to unscrew these, and remember to keep them safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover off. At this point, you'll be able to see the motor. It's usually located near the base of the unit. Check for any visible damage or debris that could be causing the noise. To extract the motor, you will need to disconnect a few cables. Take note of where each cable connects to ensure you can reattach them correctly later. Be gentle while pulling the connectors to avoid breaking them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you've disconnected the cables, you'll find more screws securing the motor in place. Use your T10 screwdriver again to remove these screws. Once the screws are out, you can carefully lift the motor out of the housing. Grab your new motor and insert it into the same position. Secure it with the screws you just removed and reconnect the cables according to your earlier notes. Ensure that everything is snug and that there are no loose connections. Now it's time to replace the back cover. Align it carefully and screw it back into place with the screws you saved earlier. Once everything is secured, plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Listen carefully to ensure that the strange noise has disappeared and that the machine is running smoothly. If all is well, you've successfully replaced the motor. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly clean the filters and empty the dust container. Avoid using the vacuum on large debris that could damage the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.